Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is tobinmua. If you are new, welcome to my channel. If you are just a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be this halo, I don't know what I would call this. This brown halo holiday look with a red lip. So if you guys do want to see how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. So I was going to do a red eye look, but I've realized I've done a couple of red eye looks before. So I'm going to be going in. This is the Aphrodite palette. This is a dupe for the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. And I think I'm going to do like a little bit of browns today. So what I'm going to go in with first is Admire, which is right here, this like light brown shade, and I'm going to place that all in my crease. I'm going to use my MAC 224 brush and just buff that into the crease. Okay, there's a decent amount of kickback on it, but doesn't bother me. Tap off the axis and just blend. Okay, she's pretty decent for a crease color. Maybe I'll do a brown like halo eye today. I did have to dip into the shade quite a few times. Don't want to blind you guys, but if you can see that, that is like what the kickback looks like. So there is a decent amount of kickback, but that is not something that's going to stop me from using an eyeshadow. So I want to also say, obviously you can see I have the face already done. I'm so proud of how my brows turned out, especially this brow, which is even my bad brow. So, you know, these brows, they came out so good today. I'm absolutely obsessed. I am doing, I think I already said it, but I'm doing a halo eye. And you guys voted for a halo eye next, so that is what I'm bringing you guys today. And yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Also exciting news. I found my M506 brush, the brush I was talking about in a live Instagram tutorial, well not tutorial, but a live chat Instagram. I was on live on Instagram and I was looking for this brush and I found it and I'm so happy about it. So next I'm going to go in with Seduction, which is this brown shade right here. No, yeah, there. That brown shade I'm going to go in with and pack it on the outer and inner corner. I think, I might even just, okay, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to just pack it all on it, all around the eye, and then I'm going to do the whole carving out thing. So I'm going to start on the outer corner. Ooh, this shade is so chocolatey. I love it. And now I'm not worried about the messiness because I am going to blend it out in a minute. I'm going to go back in with this brush and I'm just going to use small circular motions and I'm just going to buff this deep brown. And I'm going to go in with the MAC 224 brush and I'm going to go back in with Admire to really help further buff out this deep chocolate brown. And I barely took any on my brush. So now now that we have that done, I'm going to cut the crease now. To take my MAC 217 brush, and I'm going to be going in with Seduction again and just taking that on my brush and patting that on the outer edge. So in the crease, I think I want to use a door. Ooh, tease is really nice. That'd be a really pretty highlight shade too. I'm gonna do beauty. Let's go in with beauty. First, I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to go in with Seduction. And I'm just going to run that on my lower lash line. So I went in with Urban Decay's Zero eyeliner on my waterline. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Seductive in my Morphe M506 brush and just buff that on my lower lash line. So for lashes today, I'm going to use the D328 lashes. These are my newest lashes from Dodo Lashes. And I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara, which is my favorite mascara to use. So I'm going to put mascara on and lashes on, and I'll be right back. So for lips today, I'm going to be using ColourPop's Creeper, which is this just hot red shade. I haven't used a red in quite some time, so here we go. So for setting spray today, I'm going to be using Jasmine by Gerard Cosmetics, their Slay All Day setting spray. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard, and I wonder where you... So that is it. You guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see next on my channel. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter, both those are at tobinmua. And I think that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.